We offer kitchen remodeling in Chandler, and this is a page that we found of somebody who put up a bunch of our information, and it's got some useful links here and some images. It even has a slideshow, some images here again, um, an article or two specifically to Chandler and kitchen remodeling. It's got the location there. I'm not really sure what that is, but this is a quick video to give some advice to people. There's so much information out there. You have to be really careful with what's out there. We do a great job of providing information on our main site, which is phxhomeremodeling.com, or you can click on this page, which is quite nice. This page actually has the correct information. So when you click on that, it'll actually take you to our official website. So I just want to mention that, and hopefully this is helpful. If you go to advice, you can see all the different areas that we recommend, and I would say you probably want to check out at least 3 or 4 of these, even though it will take up some time. It's worth it if you're going to do a remodel. This could be the difference between going through terrible contractor headaches or having a good experience. So hopefully this was helpful, and thanks for watching.